Movie notes on Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, 1971 film, 20 February 2025 viewing. I am Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle, and I'm going to talk through my movie notes for my Thursday, 20 February 2025 viewing of the 1971 film Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, which is a fiction film about a boy named Charlie who gets one of 5 golden tickets for children to tour the chocolate factory of Willy Wonka, and who takes his grandfather as his one allowed family member on the tour. So there's a chocolate factory and a man named Willy Wonka, and he opens the factory up to 5 children worldwide. These candy bars are sold, and so there can be a winner anywhere, and there are winners from multiple continents. And Charlie is of the 5 kids who find the golden tickets, he's the local boy, the poor boy who wins. So, you know, the other people are wealthy enough they could travel to the factory once they won, but he was the local United Kingdom kid who won and could go because he didn't have the money necessarily to travel, but because it was in close proximity to him. And they each of the 5 children who got a ticket were allowed to take one family member, so he takes his grandfather. And it's a fun one. There's musical numbers, but they're not like overdone. They're like actually carry the plot forward, so in that way I think it's well done. It's a very fun movie for me to watch. You guys know I'm not an all-electric person. I'm not necessarily even a big promoter of like electronics necessarily. I use them, but like I enjoy my time outdoors with the squirrels and stuff like that. And so this is kind of more my taste in terms of like the materials in items actually used in filming, as opposed to a green screen kind of thing. And then so it'd been a chunk of time since I'd seen this, like maybe over a decade. I'm approximately I'm over 31.78 years of 31.78 over 31.87 years of age. And so I'm going to venture guess about over a decade since I'd seen this last. And so what's something new for this viewing? The scene in the chocolate room with Oompa Loompas working by the river of chocolate looks like the Menehune ditch on Kauai in the Hawaiian Islands. I last went there, the Menehune ditch, in July/August 2018. Perhaps that is what the scene is inspired by. Like, it's kind of even like a reddish brown, and I was like, it's kind of like the rocks around the Menehune ditch. And the Menehune were spirits of Hawaii, that were kind of shorter than full-size humans, kind of like there's spirits or kind of thing like that in United Kingdom history as well. But I was like, I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, it's the Menehune ditch. So I was like, maybe it is. So there we go. Those are my movie notes on Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, 1971 film, 20 February 2025 viewing.